Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for April 17th through the 23rd in my social media planner, and we're going to be using some of the Simply Sweetly Crafty items that I got recently. So this is like one of her Hobonichi sampler kits, or maybe it's just a sampler item in her deluxe. I feel really bad, I should know this. But they're full boxes and little icons and things like that, and I really love that. And then I also pulled this from the deluxe kit that I got because I do have a couple of them. I accidentally ordered a couple more than I intended. So we're going to be using those because I need the habit trackers as well. So we're going to be pulling from both sheets. And we don't really have anything else to describe, so we're going to go ahead and jump in. So this is how last week turned out. There are a lot of things that I have not filled out yet, and I feel like every single time I share what my before the pen or my after the pen looks like, most of the time everything is not completely filled out. But this is the Autism Awareness Kit from Growing Modestly. Actually, it's not a kit, it's more deco. But this is just what it looks like because the month of April is Autism Awareness Month, so I wanted to share this because I think it's so beautiful and such an important thing for us to know about. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and move into this week. So I also pulled some washi. I forgot to share this. I feel like I always do, but I pulled some of this washi. I feel like the colors go perfectly. So that's the washi that I pulled for this spread, and we're actually going to go ahead and use that now. If you've seen any of my Plan With Me's, you know I like to do the spine with washi just because I am weird. I love decorating the spine. It's such a simple thing to do, and it adds so much to your spread without doing too much. It has been raining all week this week. It has been nice because it means colder, or not cold, I would say cooler weather here in Florida, because it actually feels like spring. It doesn't feel like middle of the summer boiling hot grossness, and it's beautiful and I love it. I am so happy it is now summertime or springtime in Florida and not gross summer nasty hotness. Okay, we're gonna do one strip here, and then I think this washi will be good for the current moment. So we are going to, let's see, I think we're going to use, if it will come off, there we go. We're going to use this for a Simply Sweetly Crafty title. And this, unfortunately, is going to be the last week, officially, the last week of me using the Simply Sweetly Crafty for this section, because if you guys have, you know, been with me for a little bit, you know that I forgot that my PR didn't end until the end of April, and at the end of March I was like, oh, I'm not going to use this box anymore. Nope. I am. So officially it ends at the end of April. I will still be using a lot of her stickers because I did order a lot during my PR with her, so don't worry, we're going to see a lot of spreads with Simply Sweetly Crafty. So you are not going to be without anything. I also did a Simply Sweetly Crafty spread last week using her Full House kit, and you guys seem to really like that, so that is exciting. Okay, so Cozy Home, I think we're going to go with these two. Okay. This is me all the time. All I want to do is stay at home. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave my bed. I don't want to leave my comfort zone. I just want to stay at home. And that's pretty much how I feel all the time. I'm gonna do the checklists here, or the habit trackers here. Oh my gosh, is it clouding up already? You guys, the sky is so dark out. It is like about to storm. It's beautiful. Perfect for me because I can take a nap. Okay, so we've got these. Oh goodness, I am just making a mess over here. Let's do them here, but we're not going to do that one. We're going to use this one first. Actually, I'm going to do the pink. So we've got this one. There we go. And if you're wondering where these habit trackers, like what I use them for, these are for my Instagram pods that I'm on. I've been making a lot of really awesome friends and getting really, really inspired by a lot of the girls on the pod, the people on the pod, I should say, because it's not just girls. So if you guys are interested in joining an Instagram pod, let me know, because they're really awesome. You get to learn a lot, and you get to see a lot of different spreads and different creativity, and it's really, really awesome. So I highly recommend it. Okay, I'm going to put, I was going to put a title, but maybe not. I just kicked the camera. I am so sorry. So since we're not going to do that, I'm going to put this back because I don't want to waste it. Let's do, okay, well, since we're not doing that, I feel like I'm all over the place right now. We're going to do some boxes, I think. Maybe. Do I want to do boxes? How about this? How about we do a goals list? Or like important things to remember during the week. Right there. And maybe we will put this. Ooh, how about we combine them? Yeah, I like that. Okay. So we'll do that one here. And then, ooh, that's a little too far. I need to put it more this way. Okay, that's nice. And now we have the last box, which we are going to put on, put it right here. So I do need to put some boxes for different things that are happening. So we've got $2 Tuesday and new releases. And honestly, I feel like that is going to be it for boxes. So I'm going to do layering there and one here just for funsies. I really feel like that is it, but we can use this planning time icon. Right there. Oh, beautiful. I really do feel like that's it for adding things on here as far as like decorative elements. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some numbers and probably some date covers, because I do believe I have date covers in here. I believe so. Yes, here we go. So I have some date covers from her, and I think we might use this color, but I also do have green. I feel like we're going to use the gray though, because that would be the best option here. everyone, that is it for this week's Plan With Me and my social media planner using the Simply Sweetly Crafty Cozy Home Kit. I'm really excited that I was able to use this washi and to showcase this amazing kit and show you guys that you can indeed use just one sheet in a kit. I love it. I think it's adorable. If you guys are interested in saving some money on Simply Sweetly Crafty's website during non-sale periods, you can use my code Megan15 and save yourself 15% off. And you can also receive my really cute freebie. It has everything that is me. It has my planner, it has me with a camera, a Disney balloon, me time, PJs, clap strip, all of the fun things. So you can still get my freebie during sale periods. You just have to mention my name in the order notes section in her shop. I will leave all of the information for Simply Sweetly Crafty down in the description box below so you guys can shop on her site if that is something that you want to do. I will also leave my code in the description box as well so you guys can use that if you are interested. If you are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I share all different kinds of crafting content from art prompt journal books to planners to polymer clay and hauls, all different kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing any of those categories, I have an entire section down in the description box that has all the different playlists for your browsing purposes. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and it lets me know that you guys are interested in seeing more of these dashboard spreads, more from Simply Sweetly Crafty, and that you just really enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video, and chat with me down in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this spread. I would love to talk with you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!